Hey creators, welcome to Edit Mind, where we turn ideas into motion. Today we are making a simple text animation in After Effects. For that, first open After Effects and create a new composition. Name it as text animation. Set the screen resolution 1920 by 1080. Here we can take 30 frames per second. Next, select the text tool and type your message. And then customize your font style color as your wish. Always bold fonts looks great for motion graphics. Now let's animate the text. We will scale it from 0 to 100%. And fade it with opacity over 1 second. After animation, to make the animation smooth, we can apply easy ease to the keyframes. Shortcut, select the keyframes and press F9. And then you can tweak the curves in the graph editor for more natural motion. Easy is always gives smooth and professional animation. For cleaner look, add a solid background layer. Pick a color that complements your text. Preview your animation when it is ready. Preview your animation. If all okay, export your video using H264 format. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe button and join Edit Mind community for more creative tutorials.